My name is Benjamin Paxson, and I'm an engineer at Egan Food Technologies. COUNTERPART is an efficient way to manage all our parts and make sure that everyone in the company is seeing the same thing and tracking our assemblies and parts. I use COUNTERPART from the very beginning, creating parts, adding them to assemblies, syncing them in, making drawings, ordering the parts. It's really simple from SOLIDWORKS to go in and create an order. And then after the order is created, I can revise it and make sure that if something changes, we can move on, or we can push it through and everyone down the line will be able to see. From COUNTERPART, we can create bill of materials, which the people in the shop use to they actually print out drawings with the COUNTERPART, through COUNTERPART, to make sure that they can see the right part numbers, where they're coming from, order dates to make sure they're on schedule, and then any legacy info we can use to find old drawings from parts before COUNTERPART systems. The best thing about COUNTERPART for me is that it can have the entire company keep track of parts and make sure that we're all getting the info we need when something changes and prevent errors. I would tell other engineers that COUNTERPART is a simple tool that isn't very intrusive, but can add a lot of utility when creating parts and assemblies.